Everybody's worst nightmare has returned. It's known simply as the Howling.
Every night I've been hearing this howling. There's something so sinister about these woods. He's out there. I feel him.
There's no big animals here, Babs.
Don't worry. There's nothing in the forest to harm you.
Go away!
Go away, my child! The howling. She was never able to tell us what happened. The bite marks.
There weren't any bite marks.
The devil's hatred for God has turned man into a habitation for demons.
Eric's still out there.
Ruth was trying to warn us.
Howling 4, the original nightmare.